Let's make naan breads. Naan breads.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.
Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing naan bread. It is Indian dish and you can make it in home without using a tandoor. You just basically need a cast iron and few simple ingredients. So this is my take on it. Let's get started. You need warm water around 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop your yeast along with some honey and dissolve. The mixture should bubble up after 10 minutes and then you are sure that your yeast is alive. So now just combine all your ingredients in the food processor for about 5 minutes. You can of course do it with your hands as well. So our dough was running 4 minutes in the food processor. Let's check how it worked. Yeah, that should be just about fine. The dough should be a little bit sticky, so flour your hands and form a nice ball out of it. All what's left to do now is to grease a large bowl, add your dough and cover it with some foil. Now you can leave your dough to rest for about 1 hour or until doubled in size. Thanks God I happen to have already prepared dough, so we don't have to wait that long. As the dough is perfectly doubled in size, lightly flour your surface and carefully transfer the dough. Depending on the size you prefer your naan, cut it into even portions. Just make sure that naan will fit into your pan. I like my naan nicely round. That's why I'm forming kind of small pizza balls to get that result. So make sure everything is well floured and with your rolling pin create the shape you go for. Only criteria here, get them really thin. The final step is to brush them with some melted garlic butter. To make that, just simply drop some smashed garlic cloves to some simmering butter. There are a few fancy ways to make naan bread in home. I find the easiest way is to simply use the cast iron skillet. If you don't have one, go buy it. It will last a lifetime and you will love it. So go ahead and set it to a medium heat. You don't need no oil as the naan is already buttered. So drop it in there and watch the magic happen. Immediately you should see small air pockets coming up. That's what you want. Once you see the sides setting and a little smoke coming up, flip it. It's a bit of a guessing game, but you will see your learning curve will evolve with each naan you make. On the flip side, it should not take more than a minute, but take a peek under it to make sure you're good. Our naan bread is finished. The only thing which is missing is melted butter and a generous amount of parsley. Look how beautiful that bread turned out. I absolutely love the combination of garlic butter and parsley. It is such an easy bread which you can make in home and it tastes like out of the restaurant. You should definitely give it a try. It is so fluffy, but yet crisp. And that garlic, I just love garlic. For me, this recipe also works on non-stick pan, but nothing beats a cast iron. And you see, you don't even need a tender oven. How is that oven? It is such a perfect side dish. You can serve it with steaks, curries, Turkish eggs. It is basically fitting everywhere.